Hello, this is Nurse Pattye Anderson. I'm a board-certified family nurse practitioner in Southern California, and I've got a question for you. Did you know that our governor, Gavin Newsom, signed into law Assembly Bill 1514, Chapter 291? Let me explain this to you. This is a law that allows nurse practitioners like myself the authority to act as certifying agents so that our patients can take advantage of the California Telephone Access Program. Now, in order to take advantage of this program, you must be a patient who lives in California, you have a landline or a cell phone, and you must have a problem like speaking, moving, seeing, difficulty hearing, or remembering and learning things. If you have these problems, you can have a nurse practitioner like myself act as your certifying agent and confirm that you have this problem so that you can take advantage of the California Telephone Access Program. Now, if you've got one of these forms or you want more information on this program, feel free to use me as your nurse practitioner. You can log on to pushhealth.com. Go to that website, pushhealth.com, enter Pattye Anderson in the search engine, and there you have it. You have access to me for your forms, your medication refills, your lab ordering, your image ordering. I am available for you anytime, 24 hours a day. Thank you so much for listening, and I do look forward to staying in touch with you. Thanks again.